Hal's Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi, this is your first time. This is where I do an unboxing. I'm presuming it feels like a diamond painting box, but I'm not sure. So I've got my candle lit, it's Starlight and it smells beautiful. This one's from Aldi's, and this is for anybody. I mean anybody that needs prayers, thoughts, or a little bit of positivity. Know that somebody's here, got a candle lit for you. Now, this could be from anywhere. I'm presuming China by the look of the writing. So, yeah, but I have no idea. Probably as you order things from China, it's a bit battered, as you can see. It's been squashed and thrown and whatever. But that's what the boxes are there for. Yeah, I really don't know what it is. You'll have more idea than me at this time because it'll be in the description, but yeah, we have no idea what it is. Battered. It's well and truly battered. I don't know. See if I can get it out of the package. On the neck. Oh, can you struggle by luck, man? You could pull the other end for me, guys. Right, that's that off. Right. Diamond painting. Oh dear. That is battered, isn't it? Look. It's well and truly bashed. Alright. We'll open it maybe this side. You all probably, it's 120 by 40. What the hell have I ordered that's 120 by 40? That's big. Oh, I don't know. This is, I don't know. What does it say on there? Does it say my real name or my... Ah, this has got to be a present because it's got my YouTube name on there. When I order stuff, I use my real name. So it's diamond painting, and it looks in really good nick, seeing as it was in a battered box, so that's fine. Tells you on the box how to do it if you've never done diamond painting before. So shall we have a look and see what it is? So this is a present of somebody. To whoever it is, thank you. Yeah, it's much appreciated because it's bloody big. Sorry for the crackling. Folks, there's no other way to do it. It's like a canvas feel to this. Oh my god, I know this is off. Because there's only one person I know. I'll show you this and you might know. If you follow me, you'll know her. See that there? She's done this one. Sorry, my son just came back then, so I just stopped it for a second. Because I haven't put the sign on my door. I've got a sign on my door that says, "Do not disturb filming," but I didn't bother because he was out. But yeah, this, as I was saying, is Yolanda, which is, oh god, what's her bloody YouTube channel? Oh god, what is it? Something Mama of Two? No, it's either Creative Mama of Two or a Creative Mama of Two, but I'll put her link down below because she's got YouTube channel. But she did this one, and if anybody's been watching my channel, know I absolutely love cherry trees. My whole family love cherry trees, cherry blossom trees. Just outstanding. We've just bought 2 to go in our garden, and when I saw her do this, I said, oh my god, that's gorgeous, but you know, I'm not going to buy it, you know, because at the time I couldn't and whatever. And bless her, she sent it me. I knew she was going to send me something because she said weeks ago, well, can I have your address. I'm going to send you a little something. This isn't little, is it? Because I'm not going to get it all in shot. So that's one half of it. And I know it's a nice painting because she's already done it. And that's the other half. So it's 120 by 40. And I'm not going to measure it because it's a gift, so I don't care if it's true to form or not. But oh my god, we've got a multi-placer. I like my freeze, But oh, it's got two, and it's got tweezers, look. So Millie and Jessie can help me on this one, and they both will enjoy working on this one as well, because we all love cherry trees. But look how clear it is. And let me get you to the pink so you can see how easy this is going to be to work on. Can you see? Come on, focus. How clear are them symbols? Crystal clear. If I can see them, anybody can see them. Has it got a chart on the other end, or are we going to have to... Yeah, it has. So what I might do, because it's so big, is I might photocopy that. Oh, look at all them beautiful purples and pinks. So I'm staring at the cherry blossom. Let me have a look at the symbols. I can't see anything there that's going to fox us, because it's just astounding. And it's got glitter, I think. Looks like it's got a little bit of glitter in the canvas. Yes, there has. So it's a glittery canvas as well. It's a bit like artist canvas feel to it. But oh my god, look. So it's going to have lots of confetti, but there's also colour blocking as well. And I like that one. It's got a bit of everything. Oh, wait till I shout Millie and Jess. Jess is not here. Millie's upstairs watching river divers or something, where they go exploring with a metal detector in the river. If you have a look at the colours, I'm going to have to share the colours, aren't I? I can't just leave you with that and not show you the colours. I shouldn't get into the bag. I know, I'm crinkling mad. Oh, it's one at the top, is it? Is it one at the top? No, there it is. Oh my god, look at them all. Look at these. Look at that 553, 552, 550. All my favourite purples. 552. Look at that 210. That is really pretty. Oh, sorry, you can't see. You only can see the packet. They look really good as well. Oh, let me get one of the 550s. Can you see the sparkle? That is how it is sparkling. Now it's sparkling on camera. It's how it's actually sparkling under my light. So that's really good. So it all come in little individual bags. No idea what's in the bag, but I don't care. Oh, look at these blues for the sky. 809, 800s. How beautiful are these blues? 798s, 799s. They are just amazing. And then we go into some pinks. All the 3608s. Is there any other people? Are they all mostly? Oh, hang on. Look at them. For the different pinks. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a fun one. Some 823s. That's the only dark colour. 550s. Some 3865s. That must be for the mountain tops, I'm presuming. What colour are they using for that one? That mountain grey colour. The 375. 3756. What's that one? Is that like a grey? Oh, looks like grey white, isn't it? So that's going to be a nice contrast with the white to the mountains. Can you see? So that's going to be in there. I can't thank you enough, Yolanda. I'm not going to get them all out because I'll never ever get them back in a million years. So I won't be able to work on it for a little while, but I'm definitely going to. But this is going to be a project for me and the kids. This is definitely. You can never get them all like that. So I don't know where she got it or where from, what from, whatever. You'll have to contact her. But I can't thank you enough, Yolanda. And I never know if I'm saying her name right. But, you know, she never tells me off. She's lovely. It's got 30 colours, which isn't too bad. And I could kit this one up because I bought off Max some of those, you know, the case of the little plastic bottles in them. So I could kit this up, guys, because there's 60 bottles in one of them cases. Do we need another whip on the go? Yeah, maybe. You know, what do you think? Should we do another whip on the go? I've got 2 diamond paintings on the go. Millie's got 1 and Jessie's got 1. So yeah, that'd be alright, wouldn't it? But isn't she beautiful? I'll just unscroll it. Beautiful mountain in the middle. And we're just about to get, I think, maybe 6 cherry blossoms on our cherry blossom tree. I don't think the other one's going to bloom this year, but we've counted 6 little flowers. So we're hoping the frost doesn't get it because it's quite frosty at night. So everybody, I'm so excited. So thank you. If you don't know her, go over and give her some love. She's a new YouTuber, but she's got a heart of gold. And she cooks chocolate. Yeah, she makes her own chocolate sweeties as well. I'm going to have to persuade her to send me some of those. I'll pay for them, mind. I'll have to say, how much will it cost? And can you send me some? Because they look divine. All right, with that said, I'm going to say thanks for stopping by. It's really, really appreciated. If you'd like to have a chat or leave a comment, it's down below. The social media's down below as well. If you want to have a chat. I'm just speechless now. So if you haven't subscribed, you might fancy staying and seeing what else I've got. And yeah, there's a notification button which will go off if I put up a live, which is on a Sunday, and when I have different videos up, which is a few times a week minimum. So with that said, I'm going to say, because I'm getting a bit emotional, take care, look after yourselves, and most importantly, stay safe. Love you all. Thank you. Bye.